Hello friends, welcome to Knowledge Guru. This time we learn T, U, V, W, Y and Z alphabetical videos. So without any further, let's get started. Our first country is Tajikistan. Its capital is Dushanbe. Our second country is Tanzania. Its capital is Dodoma. Our third country is Thailand. Its capital is Bangkok. Our fourth country is Timor-Leste. Its capital is Dili. Our fifth country is Togo. Its capital is Lome. Our sixth country is Tonga. Its capital is Nuku-Alofa. Our seventh country is Trinidad and Tobago. Its capital is Port of Spain. Our eighth country is Tunisia. Its capital is Tunis. Our ninth country is Turkey. Its capital is Ankara. Our 10th country is Turkmenistan. Its capital is Ashgabat. Our 11th country is Tuvalu. Its capital is Funafuti. Our 12th country is Uganda. Its capital is Kampala. Our 13th country is Ukraine. Its capital is Kiev. Our 14th country is United Arab Emirates. Its capital is Abu Dhabi. Our 15th country is Uruguay. Its capital is Montevideo. Our 16th country is United Kingdom. Its capital is London. फ्रेंड्स, आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको एक इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग बताना चाहता हूँ. यूनाइटेड किंगडम जो है इट कंटेन्स 3 कंट्रीज. स्कॉटलैंड जिसकी कैपिटल है एडिनबर्ग, और सेकंड है वेल्स जिसकी कैपिटल है कार्डिफ, और हमारा थर्ड है इंग्लैंड जिसकी कैपिटल है लंदन. इन तीनों को मिला के बनता है यूनाइटेड किंगडम. तो आगे बढ़ते हैं. हमारी 17 कंट्री है यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स ऑफ अमेरिका. इट्स कैपिटल इज न्यूयॉर्क. आर 18 कंट्रीज उज्बेकिस्तान. इट्स कैपिटल इज ताशकेंट. आर 19 कंट्रीज वनाउतु. इट्स कैपिटल इज पोर्ट विला. आर 20 कंट्रीज वेटिकन सिटी. Its capital is Vatican City only. Our 21st country is Venezuela. Its capital is Caracas. Our 22 country is Vietnam. Its capital is Hanoi. Our 23rd country is Western Sahara. Its capital is Laoyone. Our 24th country is Wallis and Futuna. Its capital is Matautu. Our 25th country is Yemen. Its capital is Sana'a. Our 26th country is Zambia. Its capital is Lusaka. And our last country is Zimbabwe. Its capital is Harare. So friends, now we have learnt our all 205 countries. In next video, I will teach you governors. Till then, you subscribe, like and share my video. Okay? Bye-bye.